Good morning, happy new year. Today in this video I'm going to challenge myself to self-introduce. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Veronica. I'm single. I'm from Santa Ana, California. I am in the middle of the 9 siblings. I'm Mexican American. Also, I speak 2 languages, English and Spanish. I'm not a talkative person, but when people get to know me, I start talking and get to know the person better and me. Sometimes people doesn't understand me when I speak. I like having fun with friends. First, I need a motivation to make myself occupied. And third, I really like watching YouTube videos, and create videos is something that I always wanted to try. So I like to learn new things and have talking, actually showing you. It's like show and tell. I like showing better. I'm interested in makeup and lifestyle and more. So to wrap it up, if you enjoy the contents of this video, please comment and click the subscribe button so you can receive more this every Friday. Thank you.